We're going to show you how to install a attendant control. You'll get this in your kit basically. You'll need to loosen these thumb screws. This pops off. Screw these all the way out. Pick a set of holes in the side. You can mount this either left or right side, doesn't matter. Get the thumb screw started. Then if you see this pattern on here, you hook the top in first and then walk the bottom one in. Then tighten the thumb screws. That way when you take it loose to use it, just crack these loose, pull this off, and then so you don't lose the thumb screws, screw these in if you're going to be walking around with it. Then it doesn't rattle apart. Comes with a boingy woingy. To hook this cable into here, we have to remove this 0.41 meter bus cable, which is in this chair. If you don't have a attendant control, if it comes with a attendant control, it'll obviously have that. We're going to replace that with this. It has two here. One's going to go to the joystick and one's going to go to the attendant control, so we have a split. When you install this, there's these two P-clamps here. Put these connectors between the two P-clamps just like this one is right here, and then your cables will come down here through, connect so that it doesn't pull on the ends of these. If this isn't long enough for you, we also have an extension that you can get that has a male and a female end so that you can extend much further out than that is. Next we will go underneath the seat and we can show you in the AM3L how that plugs this 4-1 or this split plug into the AM3L. Since this is longer than that 0.41 bus cable, you can wrap it up underneath the seat and tie it to that center plate so that it doesn't get tugged on. So this is what the AM3L looks like under the seat, and one of the cables will go from here to the power base and the other cable will go from here to this 4-1 or that Y where it connects to the joystick. Also, your actuators connect in here. If you have just a single actuator, it's the first one, which is A1, and that is your tilt. This connector here goes to the light relay box on the other side.